friends, Namaste. I am Vasanta from VS Gardens. Today I want to tell you what is the special harvest I have got. I have been telling you that I have got some special harvest in my garden, and what is that I just wanted to tell you. So yesterday I have tumbled down all that container. It was so tough for me to remove all those things, and this is what I have got. See, what I have got is so many roots. I have got turmeric roots are there. It has a lot of these turmeric roots should be made into powder, and this is how I got. See, this is how I got. Yeah, it's okay. I have got a lot of thing, and maybe if I would have kept in 3 containers so that it will be enough for me. Okay, so I'm happy that I've got this harvest, because this is the first time I have ever got. See here, this is the first time I have ever got this harvest. So happy I am, and this is the first time I am having this in my garden. I'm harvesting it in my garden. So next what I did is I've got some these what we call this. This is star fruits I have got, and some tomatoes also I have got. See, 3 tomatoes I have got from that plant I have removed. From this plant I have removed, and there are some more are there. Some more are here. You can see from this plant I have removed 3 of them, and some of them ants, and I have a lot of tomato plants here also. You can see here tomato plants are here, and so many chutkis, small tomatoes are coming here. See here, so small tomatoes are coming here. See here, this one. So it's okay. So it's healthy. Okay, don't disturb. So this is also a tomato plant. They are growing healthy, no problem. Okay, here also in all the containers I have put some tomatoes, and I think I will be having more tomatoes in the next time when I show you the harvest episode. Okay, then that's what I want to tell you. What more is there? There here this table lemon is also coming up for harvest. See, some yellow, it's coming up, and this is how it is. And there's a lot of this leafy vegetable growing here. Actually, I don't want to put this. I want this in this container because I want this to grow healthy. But what happened is all these are coming up. I didn't put anything. I didn't sow any seeds, but they come up flying maybe. They come up into the containers and they grow like this. So it's okay. What can I do? I don't want to remove them. After they grow up to a certain stage, a little height, then I remove them. Okay, so that we can make something out of it. That is how I am going to do. And yeah, and what is there here also? Some tomatoes are here. See here, you can see here, this is the tomato, and here I'm having, even down also I'm getting. See, here's a small tomato. Again down also I'm having some tomato coming up. So that's how my garden is. And what more? Yeah, turmeric is very good for health, and we can use it, and you can make it a powder and use it. That's very healthy because it is fully organic. So it is very healthy for health. It has a lot of health benefits. We can discuss that all the health benefits in our next episode. So what are the health benefits of it? So that is how my garden is. And I was not there. One day I was not there. I was out of station. And see my plants. See how they became. See. So these plants should be taken. A lot of care should be taken. And we should water it regularly. Actually, I didn't water this plant regularly, and little spoil here. See, they are getting dry like little. Okay, they'll come up tomorrow. Then see here. So that is the state. They have become like this. Okay, again put a water today, and they will recover soon. So that is how my garden is. And even guavas I have taken. One guava I have removed, and there are so many guavas on it still. Here, see here, some guavas are coming up. See here, some are there on this, and other plants too. Okay, so this is these are what I've harvested, and I hope you like this video. And if you like the video, please press the bell, press the like button first. Please press the like button, and then go to the comment section and share it to your friends. Then subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed my channel, and press the bell icon also. If those who have not those who are new subscribers, also please see my videos, old videos also, so that you can know what I am doing and how I am doing, and how I am getting this. How I am getting all these small this is table lemons table lemons, and these tomatoes, and this is apple bears and all. So many plants are there. I have shown all these things in my previous videos also. You please go through the videos, and then if you like them, please keep seeing. Okay, then okay, if you like them, please keep on seeing. Okay. That's what I want to tell. And one more thing I want to tell is, I have asked what the plants the special harvest is, and one I have got a message from Amar Chow. So from the channel they have replied that it is turmeric, and that was really correct. And then thank you. I'm thanking them so much for their replying to my request. What is that? Okay, then thank you. Bye. Happy Christmas.